Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to know how I achieved this natural look, then keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up. See you guys. So the first thing I'm applying on my face is a foundation, and I make sure that I apply the foundation that is exactly my skin tone. So I'm going to evenly spread the foundation all around my face, and I'm just going to apply it once, and I'm going for a very light application. You can see that it's almost like my skin, only that it helped me to cover up any imperfections that I had on my skin initially before applying the foundation. So I'm just applying it everywhere. And after that, I would then go in with a concealer. I will be going very light. On my face, the concealer I'll be using is the Early Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Done. Then I'll apply concealer on my face. I'm using Fawn from Early Girl, from the Early Girl, and I'm just applying little quantity at the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm going to make sure I blend it to the point where you can't even see where the concealer started or where it stopped. But I just want my under eye to be bright just a little. So I'm blending, and after this I would go in with a translucent powder in my powder palette, and I'm just going to set it. I'm not going to bake because I'm going for a very natural light makeup. So I'm just going to apply this. People ask a lot, like, I like makeup, but I don't like my makeup to look too heavy. I don't want to look too made up. You would really love this step. Just apply translucent powder, press it on the areas that you applied your concealer, and that is it. You're going to get the brightness you need under your eyes, and you're not going to look too made up. And you're not even going to, your makeup is not going to cake up because you just applied little quantities of products on your face. So after this step, I will be doing the reverse contour method. I'll be applying the translucent powder under the area that I'm supposed to contour. That's under my cheek, sorry. I'm just going to apply it lightly. Then I'm using the Ezekiel face definer. I'll be using this to contour. This face definer is very pigmented, so I'll go light. I'll be light-handed when you're using it. A little goes a long way. And I don't want my face to look as if I have makeup on, but I still want to look as if I have makeup on. I don't know, but yeah, I hope you get what I mean. So I'm just going to go very lightly, and I'm going to contour my forehead close to my hairline, and then my cheek. I'm going to contour it and blend until I'm satisfied. I also applied this on the sides of my chin. I normally do this because it helps me sculpt my face very well. And then I'm going in with the beauty blender that I used to apply foundation. Yes, I do this with a little bit of foundation on it. I would use it to go around all my face, on the areas I highlighted, the areas I contoured. It helps me get a smoother finish. You don't even see where the contour started, where the highlight started, where the highlighter stopped, I just blend. The key to having a very nice, natural, flawless makeup that looks like skin is to keep on blending. Anywhere you see any harsh lines anywhere, go in and blend. Do not be scared of blending, guys. Blending is key. So I'm blending. That's what I'm doing here. Just blend. So once I'm satisfied, I'm going in now again with the same powder under my chin. You know, I just finished contouring, so to make my contour a little bit sharp, I'm applying the translucent powder underneath the area that I contoured, and I'm going to blend again. Blending is key, guys. Once I'm satisfied with this, I'll go in and contour my nose. Once again, be light-handed. I'm just going to apply the contour that I used before. So I'm applying it on my nose, and I'm taking it up to my eyes. I'm going to do this on the underside as well. And again, another important thing is blending, so I'm blending it again. So now I'm blending everything with the remaining products on the brush. That's if there's anything still left, but I just want to blend it down a little bit to look more natural. So once again, I'm going in with my beauty blender, with my beauty sponge, and I'm blending everything together. So everything just comes together, and then finally I'm setting everything down with a setting spray. There's another trick that I do. Once my setting spray is getting dry, I go in again with my beauty sponge and I just press in all the products again and try to smoothen out everything to make sure there is no harsh lines, or there's nowhere that I did not blend. So I'm just going to blend everything together, my nose, everywhere. Yeah, so I love how everything is looking right now. Next, I'm going in with the Zaron concealer in the shade AZ10. It's light, very light, so I use this under my eyebrows to make my brow bone more noticeable. And then finally, for my eyes, I will be going into a very, very brown color in a contour palette, random contour palette that I have. It doesn't have a name. There's a brown shade there that I will use as an eyeshadow. You can even use a powder if you have a brown powder for this next step that I'm going to do, which you would see very soon. So that's the palette, and there are 3 brown shades there. The lighter one is the one I'm using on my eyes. I'm going to apply this all over my eyes, but I'm not going to take it up too much into my brow bone because I still want my brow bone to show. Blending. It's very important to blend to make sure there is no harsh line anywhere. Just blending. I love this color. It's so natural. It's so simple. You might not even notice it. I'm going into the second brown. It's a bit darker than the one I used before. I'm just applying this a little bit in my crease to give it a little bit of definition. Not too much, just small. And then blend. Sometimes I use my hands as well to blend, which you would see later. Yeah, I'm blending with my hands now just to smoothen out everything. And then I'm going with this highlighter in the palette. I will use this on my brow bone. I'm going to use this on my brow bone to make my brow bone pop a bit. I will apply the same. Okay, I'm still blending, just blending. I'll apply the same highlighter that I used on my brow bone in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm applying the brown shade I used before underneath my eye. Yeah, and I'm going in with that highlighter like I said before. I'm applying it in the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm just blending it. If you're going for a very natural, simple makeup, less is more. less is always the key, less is always the winner. So that's how it's looking so far. I'm not going to apply any eyeliner, but I'm going in to do my lip. I normally use 3 pencils to achieve a perfect nude lipstick that I want. Nude lip to look exactly like my natural lip. I use a dark brown pencil. I use a burgundy shade pencil. I use the last pencil I'll use is a light brown pencil. So any dark brown pencil, any burgundy shade pencil, or a light brown pencil you have will do. And then I do this and blend, and then I put in the center of my lips, I apply a nude lipstick, and then I blend. I'm applying the same highlighter that I used before on my cheekbone. I'm applying it on my forehead, my chin, and on the bridge of my nose, just to give us a little bit of glow. It's always good to glow. Then I'm going in with an orange eyeshadow. I use orange eyeshadow for blush, but very little. The blush helps to warm up my face, and I use it around the areas that I contoured, and sometimes I end up applying the blush all over my face, but an orange blush does it for me. I'm cleaning my lips, under my lips, and I'll clean the top of my lips as well. I just felt like doing this for this look. I don't know why, but you can skip it if you like. Then lastly, for my lips, I'll be applying lip gloss. And once I apply the lip gloss, it just looks as if I don't even have anything on my lips except just lip gloss. Then for my eyes, I would go in and fix lashes. If you like, you can fix lashes. If you don't like, you can skip that step. So I think that's just it. I would apply lashes on my eyes, and that's it for the look. I hope you guys like this look, and I hope you guys would love to recreate it. I know that a lot of people like simple makeup like this, everyday makeup. This makeup, you can take it to church, you can take it to school, you can take it to work. It's not too loud, it's not just out there, but yeah, you still look simple, you look elegant, you look classy, and you look beautiful. Yeah, my brother came to distract me at this point. I don't know what he was feeling like. I'm applying gloss, like I said. Yeah, this is a look without lashes, and shortly you'll be seeing how it looks like with lashes on. For lashes, I actually did an AliExpress haul in my previous videos. That's where I get my lashes from, so you might want to check that out. Yeah, I'm applying mascara, and that is it. This is the final look. Simple, natural, skin-like makeup, everyday kind of makeup for every woman. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, connect with me on my social media handles. It will be down in the description bar, and please subscribe. Bye.